Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about adjoint. Adjoint of a matrix, how to find out the adjoint of a matrix and what are its properties. And this part is very important in case of matrices. Clear? So let us find the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. So if A is equal to A, B, C, D, then how to find out the adjoint of A directly? You can find out the adjoint by the process, but I am telling you directly. That means I am telling the conclusion only and nothing else. Simply change the position of these two, interchange A and B. That means this will be D, this will be A, and change the sign of B and C without interchanging. Don't interchange, only change the sign. It will be minus B, it will be minus C. So this is the adjoint of A. Clear? I am giving an example. You should apply directly. In class 12 exam also you can apply it directly 2 by 2 form. So 1, 5, minus 2, 3. If I do this one, then adjoint of A is equal to change the position, interchange the positions 1 and 3 and change the sign of these two. This is minus 5, this is 2. So this is the adjoint of A. Clear? Now I will tell you how to find out the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix. See here. And the important point is, while determining the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix by manual process, that means usual process, by your textbook method, it will take at least 30 seconds. Clear? And there is a probability of getting an error in signs. That means positive negative sign may interchange. Maximum possibility is there will be error in plus minus sign. Clear? In your manual process. And the process which I am going to tell you, it will also take 30 seconds. But there is no possibility of getting an error in positive negative sign. 100%. Okay, but same time it will take. Only difference is there, in your process there is a possibility of getting an error in signs, but in my process there is no possibility of error in signs. Okay, so let us see how to find out the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix. Clear? See here. If A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 3, minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. This is the matrix. And you want to find out the adjoint of A. So how to find out? Simply say, write the matrix 1, 2, 0, 3, minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. Write the first two columns here. Simply repeat 1, 3, 2, 2, minus 1, 3. Now, your first step is write the first two columns here. Then write the first two rows at the bottom. Here, that is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 3, minus 1. So simply omit these two lines. That means first one, first column. Here. Now, adjoint of A. And already it is known to you, the cofactors of the first column should be written in the first row. The cofactor of the second column should be written in the second row. And the cofactor of the third column should be written in the third row by writing the adjoint. Because you have to take the transpose. Clear? See here. Now, I am taking these two. First of all, determinant of these two, then determinant of these two, then determinant of these two. Clear? So, simply determinant of these two is minus 1, minus 12. This is minus 1, minus 12. It is minus 13. Minus 13. Then, these two. 0, minus 2. It is minus 2. Right here in the first row I am writing 2. 2 into 4, 8. 2 4 8 minus 0. So it is 8. Then come to the second part. Determinant of these two. 8 minus 3, it is 5. So write it here 5. Then 1 minus 0, it is 1. Then 0 minus 4, it is minus 4. Clear? Then the third line. 9 plus 2, minus or minus 2. So 9 plus 2, it is 11. Then 4 minus 3, it is 1. Then minus 1, minus 6, it is minus 7. So this is the adjoint of n. Here. So it will be very easy. Simply write the first two columns here. Then copy the first two rows at the bottom. Then open the first row and first column. Then find the determinant of these two. Then these two. Then these two. And write it in the first row. Then determinant of these two. Then determinant of these two. Then determinant of these two. Write in the second row. And similarly in the third row. So this is the process by which you can get the adjoint of a matrix without any error. There is no possibility of error in science. Clear? And all the teachers are saying that the students are committing error only in science, whether either positive or negative sign. Clear? Now, see here. I have given 3 questions. If A is equal to this one, you want to find out the determinant of adjoint of A. And second question is, adjoint of A is equal to how much? Then third question, adjoint of A and the determinant of that one. See, first of all, you want to find out the cofactors of 9 elements. Clear? Then only after that you want to find out the determinant. Clear? For the first question. And for the second question, first of all, you want to find out the adjoint of cofactors of 9 elements, then again cofactors of 9 elements. That means for this, you want to find out the cofactor of 18 elements. And for the third case, you want to find out the cofactor of 18 elements, then you want to find out the determinant. But each question is a 1 mark. This one is also 1 mark, this one is also 1 mark, this one is also 1 mark. So how to do it? Clear? So, I will give you the formula. First of all, find out the determinant of this one. What is the determinant? Determinant of A is equal to 1 into 0 minus 12. So, minus 2 into 2 minus 3 plus minus 1. It is minus 1 into 4 minus 0. 8 minus 0. 2 got 8 minus 0. So what is the answer? Minus 12. This is minus plus 2, and this is minus 8. So minus 12 minus 8. It is minus 20. Then plus 2 minus 18. Clear? So the determinant is minus 18. And what the follow this one? Adjoint of A determinant. It is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. This is your formula. Determinant of adjoint of A is your determinant of A to the power n minus 1. What is n? N is the order of the matrix. And what is the order of the matrix? It is the third order matrix. So n is equal to 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. That means whole square. So minus 18 whole square. Now you can find out. So this is the answer. Clear? Then this one. The formula is determinant of A or n minus 2 into A. Determinant of A to the power n minus 2 into A, and determinant of A is minus 18, and n is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, so minus 18 into A is of this one, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 1. Then simply multiply 18 to each and every elements, you will get the answer. Here, and this one is the third case, and the formula is determinant of A to the power n minus 1 whole square. So this is your formula. Determinant of A to the power n minus 1 whole square. And here n is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. So determinant is minus 18 to the power 4. So you will get the answer. Clear? Simply remember the formula. adjoint of determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1 when n is the order of the matrix, and adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 2 into A, and determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1 whole square. In all the cases, n is the order of the matrix. Clear? So this is these three important formulas. These are the three very very important formulas. And again, I am going to tell you other two properties. See here, these are the two properties. Already I have told you three properties, and now these two are being told. Adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Reversal process. Adjoint of B into adjoint of A. If adjoint of A is given, adjoint of B is given, you want to find out adjoint of AB. So, what is the definition? Adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. So, simply multiply in this order. You will get the answer. And adjoint of A transpose is same as that of the transpose of adjoint of A. Here, in the exam, two properties of inverse and two properties of adjoint they are given. And the question will be which property is correct or which one is wrong. So that means you have to remember all these properties. Perhaps the question was there, adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of A into adjoint of B. And this property was there also, and two more properties of inverse. And the question was, which one is wrong? Clear? But the original formula is adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. But in the question, in the multiple choice, it was adjoint of A into adjoint of B. So that question, that point was wrong. Clear? Now, I have told you about the properties and shortcut tricks about adjoint of matrix. Simply do some of the problems so that it will be easy for you. And in my next video, I will tell you about some properties of inverse of a matrix and how to find out the inverse of a matrix quickly. Okay.